The skies are blue. The holiday here is over, Iona.
No.
But we still have a park run to do, don't we? Where are we today? Can you remember today where we're at? Surely you know after a week here.
Oh, Hunstanton.
You've been here a whole week and you still can't remember the name.
What's the difference?
Yeah, that's your excuse and you're sticking to it. So there's a sign over there telling us how important it is to listen to the briefing. So we better go and do that, haven't we?
3, 2, 1, go!
Thank you, Marshall. We're off and enjoying a beautiful run along the cliff tops. So if you didn't know, these cliffs are something special. They're red and then they go white about 2/3 of the way up. Really unusual. The views on these cliffs are fantastic. Just out seeing right over the other side, you can see Skegness on a clear day when it's not hazy. Can't really see it this morning. Very simple course. 3 laps plus a little small one, out to the lighthouse and back again. Basically, simple as that. So, don't think we can go far wrong. Nice flat course. This is the summer course, they do 2 courses here. But yeah, as you can tell, it's definitely summer at the moment. Thank you, Marshall. And that's it. We're on our way back for the first time. We have brought a first timer with us today and has been registered while walking down to the parkrun from where we've been staying for the week. A friend who's been joining us for the family holiday, and we've managed to rope her into doing a parkrun. And then she did agree to walking, and then I think Ewan has managed to persuade her that running seems a good idea as well. So she's actually running. So, welcome to parkrun, Eleanor. You never know, you may love it, and your Saturday mornings will never be the same again. Toby's also here with us. Iona and Ewan's cousin. He's pretty quick, quicker than I can run at the moment. So he'll be doing a good time on this nice flat course. And that's it. We're back out for our second lap. Down we go again. I reckon it's going to get quite confusing by the third lap. There'll be people on the second and third laps all out on the course somewhere, I reckon. But, oh, what a beautiful summer morning for a parkrun. One mile. Off you go, power nap. The lighthouse back in view. The good news is this course is on a slight curve the entire way. So you don't see the lighthouse the whole way, which doesn't mean you don't have that sort of feeling of running but not getting anywhere. I've got a fellow 500 topper in front of me as well. Fastest runners coming through, lapping us. They're on their third lap. We're on our second. And then got a little 4th extra lap to do as well. We've just passed St Edmund's Memorial Chapel. All that's left of it is a bit of wall and an archway. Lovely little spot, and it gives you a great photography view through the arch of the lighthouse, as if it was planned. Right, on our way back, will we get lapped by Toby before we finish our second lap? That's the big question. Iona's just spotted Toby coming up behind us, so she's put a sprint on because she doesn't want to get lapped by Toby. I think she might be slightly out of luck unless she's really going to keep a sprint on for quite some way. Oh, somebody's up with a drone. Yep, we didn't manage to keep that up. Toby's just passed us, flying along, finishing his third lap. Then he's got that little extra fourth to do. Fairly sweet. We're coming up to the lighthouse for the final time. Next time we do the shortcut lap. Enjoyed a fabulous run all along here as well while we were on holiday, just along the coast. Absolutely glorious run, real good trail run. A bit tough in places when you're walking, running on sand and trying to get your feet moving on the beach. We're just getting round to go out on our fourth and final little lap. We had an aid station at our parkrun. Drink stop for Iona, got a mist spray to cool her down, and we're off on our final little lap. And we have discovered that Toby has been a naughty boy and missed off his little bit extra. Fourth turn completed. We're on our way back, just got a little return stretch to do. It's not far at all. Thank you. Thank you. That way! Ella, through there! Quick! Classic finish by Ella there, as she ran the other side of the finish line. Don't know how she managed to miss the big sort of thing for the finish line, but you know, she did. Right, time to get scanned in. What do you think of your first ever parkrun?
Maybe I shouldn't have done it before I have to sit in a car for a couple of hours.
Well, you know.
It was an experiment.
We've all been days in parkrun fresh clothes, haven't we, Iona?
I've brought spare clothes.
Oh, have you?
Okay. Take your glasses off and you can be sprayed by water.
It also wasn't a problem.
Well, post-parkrun, only one thing to do, and that's breakfast. And where have we come to, Iona?
Becca's kitchen again.
We've come back to where we came for breakfast last week. You liked it so much, didn't you? So we'll still be another 5 out of 5, definitely.
And we need to go to the playground.
And then it's playground time in Hunstanton, because we didn't try that one out. Sensory garden, playground, and 100-acre wood to find out again.
In the sensory garden.
Yeah. Right, let's enjoy this breakfast. Well, we've now tried out the playground in Hunstanton itself, and what do you reckon, Iona?
2.
2. Why?
It's not the best for my age group.
Are you saying it's a little on the young side for you?
Yeah.
But you have been suitably silly,
I'm
I think.
also being bullied.
You've been bullied?
Yeah.
You've been banged around by your brother, have you?
Yeah, first of all I get put on this rope, like those rope things, and I get bullied on that because it hurts. And second of all I had to go on this horse thing, and that also hurts.
Are you feeling a bit battered, are you?
Yeah, it hurts.
Oh dear. Shall we go to the sensory garden for some recovery?
In a minute.
Okay. And that is the end of your Hunstanton holiday, Iona. How have you enjoyed your little adventure in Norfolk?
Good. I
Good.
think I enjoyed it, but I also want to go home.
You're ready to go home, are you? Because then you've got another adventure coming up soon, haven't you?
Yeah.
We're going to be cycling along the south coast and maybe a little excursion to what island, Iona?
I love white.
And finishing, of course, with a park run somewhere around Bournemouth. We haven't decided exactly which one yet, have we? But are you ready for a journey home now?
I think so.
I think I'm ready too. So we'll see you on another little adventure soon. Bye!